Guys, good day. Welcome again to my channel. We're here at a farm, probably around 1 kilometer from the farm. This is owned by someone who allows people to cut forages on his land. This is quite a big property, as you can see. So we're here to get forages again for the goats. That's already our routine because we do not have sufficient or enough forages for our 50 plus, around 60 goats in the farm, because our farm has only 3,500 square meters. So here in the Philippines we have a benchmark of 25 goats per hectare. So we planted a lot of forages already: madre, agua, ipilipil, napiers, centrosima. But it seems that we still lack the forages needed by the goats. So this is actually an abandoned piggery. This is now owned by an individual. So he allowed us to get some forages in here. So as you can see, there's plenty. So Binonga? Oh. Binonga. So there's plenty of this plant here. This one, yeah, we call this one Binonga. The goats love to hover on this one. A local dialect, we call this one Binonga. This one, okay. So goats love this one. So as you can see, we have plenty of forages for the goats. Maybe this can supply around 2, 3, even 4 days. And it's just very near to the farm. I discovered this personally just yesterday, when a friend of mine told me that there's a property where he allowed people to cut forages in the area. I don't know what developments would be built here, but the good thing is we have plenty of food for the goats now. We are starting to cut forages now. This one, we call this one centrosima. The goats also love to eat this one, and this is a high good protein content. Centrosima. There's plenty here. So all we need to do is just to get them by hand, and we're good to go. This is the Binonga. Look at the leaf. Yeah. Oh, very green. Maybe I will identify this one using Google identification later. So 2 to 3 hours here, and we can get around 2 to 4 days of good forages. So see you again in the next video. Happy goat farming, happy farming. Good day to all farmers out there. You guys rock.